The 2026 Genesis GV80 continues to prove that Genesis is no longer just a newcomer in the luxury automotive world, because this SUV now stands confidently beside some of the biggest premium brands on the market. With its elegant styling, advanced technology, luxurious interior, and refined driving experience, the GV80 has become one of the most impressive luxury SUVs available today. For 2026, Genesis has refined the formula even further, introducing updated styling details, improved technology, and enhanced comfort that make the SUV feel more premium than ever before. From the very first glance, the GV80 immediately captures attention with its sophisticated and upscale design. The massive crest-shaped grille at the front gives the SUV a commanding presence, while the signature dual-line LED headlights create a futuristic and unmistakable look that instantly identifies it as a Genesis model. The sculpted hood, smooth body lines, and carefully designed proportions give the GV80 an elegant appearance that balances luxury and sportiness perfectly. Unlike some luxury SUVs that rely on aggressive styling alone, the GV80 feels classy and refined while still looking modern and powerful. Around the sides, the large alloy wheels, chrome accents, flush door handles, and sleek roofline enhance the premium appearance even more. The rear section is equally beautiful, with slim dual-line LED taillights, a clean tailgate design, sporty bumper details, and integrated exhaust styling that completes the sophisticated luxury SUV look. Genesis has also introduced new exterior paint options and wheel designs for 2026, allowing buyers to personalize the SUV according to their taste. Step inside the 2026 Genesis GV80, and the cabin immediately feels like a first-class luxury lounge. Genesis has focused heavily on craftsmanship, comfort, and technology, creating an interior that can easily compete with vehicles costing far more money. High-quality leather covers nearly every surface, while genuine wood trim, brushed metal accents, and soft touch materials create a rich and premium atmosphere throughout the cabin. One of the biggest highlights is the massive new infotainment display that stretches elegantly across the dashboard and provides a clean, modern look. The graphics are incredibly sharp, the system responds quickly, and the user interface feels intuitive and easy to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with navigation, voice controls, and multiple connectivity features that make daily driving more convenient. The fully digital instrument cluster gives drivers customizable driving information, navigation assistance, and luxury animations that enhance the overall experience behind the wheel. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a relaxing atmosphere at night, while the minimalistic dashboard layout keeps everything looking modern and uncluttered. The front seats are exceptionally comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, massage functions, and extensive adjustment options that make long trips relaxing and enjoyable. Rear passengers also receive generous space, along with premium seating materials and climate controls that make the second row feel just as luxurious as the front. Genesis has also paid close attention to sound insulation as well, resulting in a cabin that remains impressively quiet even at highway speeds. Every detail inside the GV80 feels carefully designed to provide comfort, sophistication, and a sense of calmness during every drive. Under the hood, the 2026 Genesis GV80 offers multiple powertrain options designed to satisfy different types of drivers. Buyers can choose between a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine for balanced efficiency or a more powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine for stronger performance and smoother acceleration. The V6 model delivers impressive power that allows the GV80 to accelerate confidently while maintaining a refined and controlled driving character. The engine feels smooth and responsive, and the automatic transmission shifts seamlessly to provide a comfortable driving experience in both city traffic and highway cruising. Genesis has tuned the suspension carefully to deliver a balance between comfort and handling, allowing the GV80 to absorb road imperfections smoothly while still feeling stable and composed during corners. The steering feels precise and light, making the SUV easy to drive despite its size. Available all-wheel drive improves traction and stability in different weather conditions, giving drivers more confidence during rain or rough roads. One of the most impressive things about the GV80 is how refined it feels on the road. The cabin remains isolated from outside noise, the ride quality feels smooth and luxurious, and the overall driving experience focuses on comfort without sacrificing confidence or control. The GV80 may not be designed as a hardcore performance SUV, but it still delivers enough power and responsiveness to make driving enjoyable and effortless. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Genesis GV80, and Genesis has packed this SUV with advanced features that enhance both convenience and safety. The latest infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, allowing the vehicle to receive software improvements without visiting a dealership. The premium sound system delivers rich and immersive audio quality, turning every drive into a relaxing experience for music lovers. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB ports, and smartphone connectivity features ensure passengers can stay connected and powered up at all times.
Genesis has also included a wide range of advanced driver assistance systems designed to make driving safer and easier. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and highway driving assist help reduce driver stress and improve overall safety. The advanced parking camera system provides clear visibility around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. One of the standout technology features is the augmented reality navigation system, which overlays directions onto live camera views for more intuitive navigation guidance. The heads-up display projects important driving information directly onto the windshield, helping drivers stay focused on the road without constantly looking down at screens. Genesis has clearly worked hard to ensure the GV80 feels modern, intelligent, and luxurious in every possible way. Practicality is another strong point for the 2026 GV80. The SUV offers generous cargo space for luggage, groceries, and family trips, while the rear seats can fold down to increase storage capacity even further. Depending on configuration, buyers can choose between 2-row and 3-row seating layouts, making the GV80 suitable for families who need additional passenger space. The power tailgate and smart loading features add convenience during everyday use, while numerous storage compartments throughout the cabin help keep personal items organized. Safety remains a top priority for Genesis, and the GV80 is built using a strong structure combined with advanced safety technologies designed to protect passengers in different driving situations. On the road, the GV80 creates a luxury experience that feels calm, refined, and premium. The suspension smooths out rough roads effortlessly, the seats remain comfortable even during long drives, and the quiet cabin helps reduce fatigue for both driver and passengers. Unlike some competitors that focus heavily on sporty handling, the GV80 prioritizes relaxation and sophistication while still maintaining confident road manners. This makes it an excellent choice for buyers who want luxury, comfort, and advanced technology without needing extreme performance. The design of the GV80 also helps it stand out in a crowded luxury SUV market. While many premium SUVs look overly aggressive or complicated, the Genesis feels elegant, timeless, and modern at the same time. It attracts attention not by being flashy, but by looking expensive, refined, and carefully crafted. Genesis has continued to improve its reputation with every new model, and the GV80 represents the brand's confidence in competing against luxury giants like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Lexus, and Range Rover. For many buyers, the GV80 offers a level of luxury and technology that rivals more expensive competitors, while often providing better value for money. The 2026 model continues this strategy by offering upgraded features, improved refinement, and modern styling enhancements that make the SUV even more desirable. Whether used for daily commuting, family road trips, business travel, or luxury cruising, the GV80 feels capable of handling everything with elegance and comfort. The combination of premium materials, advanced technology, refined driving dynamics, spacious practicality, and sophisticated design makes the 2026 Genesis GV80 one of the most impressive luxury SUVs in its class. It represents how far Genesis has come as a luxury brand and proves that the company is serious about challenging the very best in the automotive industry. For buyers looking for a luxury SUV that delivers comfort, technology, style, and value in one beautifully designed package, the 2026 Genesis GV80 stands out as a vehicle that truly deserves attention in today's competitive luxury market.